Start mopping restroom floors from the farthest point and work toward the exit to prevent resoiling. Begin by removing loose debris with a dry dust mop or broom and pre-treating visible stains with a neutral pH cleaner diluted according to the label so you do not leave a residue that attracts dirt. Use a 2-bucket method with 1 bucket for clean solution and 1 for rinse water so you are not applying dirty water back onto the floor. If you have only 1 bucket, change the water every 5 to 10 minutes or sooner when visibly cloudy. Choose a mop head material that matches the floor finish. Microfiber picks up fine particles and oils best, while cotton can absorb more liquid but may leave lint. Wring the mop so it is damp rather than soaking wet to avoid spreading soil and to reduce drying time, and maintain an overlap of about 50% on each stroke to ensure full coverage without missing strips. For textured floors, scrub along grout or joints with a small brush using short back and forth motions, then follow immediately with the mop to remove dislodged soil. Allow the floor to air dry before reopening the area, and use fans or increased ventilation to speed drying if needed. Common mistakes include using a single dirty bucket, which redeposits grime and causes streaking, so switch to a 2-bucket approach or change water frequently to keep solution clean. Another issue is overwetting the floor, which spreads soils and extends drying time. Solve this by wringing the mop tightly and using multiple passes with a damp rather than wet mop. A third problem is using the wrong mop material, which either leaves lint or fails to lift oils. Match microfiber for smooth finished floors and a tightly woven cotton for heavy liquid pickup and launder mop heads after each shift in hot water with a small amount of detergent. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and contractors with new leads by listing projects and letting people find professionals near them. We also host a discussion community on the site where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about cleaning, maintenance, and repairs.